So here we have two-digit dividend. We have 82 divided by 6, and we're going to use the box method. The box method is similar to the long division. So again, whichever strategies you want to use, you are more than welcome to use it. But this one right here, for the people who are still struggling, I think you need to consider just using box method. So we have two-digit in 82. We can go ahead and write 82, and we're going, because we have two-digit, we're going to have two columns. Okay, so always remember that we are going to have always three rows. So we have row 1, 2, 3. We're going to use the top for our answer. Okay, so this is the easy way to do it. Just draw three rows, always three rows. Okay, and columns is according to how many digit do you have in your dividends. So 82 divided by let me color this one 6 right here. So we are going to use our letters right here to help us answer our equation. So H stands for how many sets. So here we're going to look at 8 because we only have 8 here in this first box. So we're going to ask how many sets of 6 can we fit inside the 8. So of course, if you are going to draw 8 candies, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So again, how many sets of 6? How many inside the 8? So we have all the way here. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's one set because we don't have enough. So we have to stop here. So we have one set. The one set goes on the top of the 8. Okay. So again, so we're done asking how many. The next step is M for multiply. Which one do we multiply? The answer and the divisor. Always the answer and the divisor. Okay, we multiply 1 times 6, and the answer is 6. The answer goes under the 8. That will be 6 right here. So we multiply. Sometimes I like to put X right there so I can remember that I multiply 1 times 6, and the answer is 6, which goes underneath right here. Okay, so we're done multiplying. Now we're going to subtract. We are going to subtract the 6 from the 8, and these are the two numbers that we are going to look at. Only these two numbers. Okay, and of course, don't forget your equal sign. Your minus sign. So 8 minus 6 equals 2. So now we're done subtracting. Before, bring it up. In the long division, we say bring it down, but since we're using a box, we have to bring it up. So the 2 will move this 2 right here. I better color it. This 2 is going to move before the number. So it comes before the number that you have originally written here in your one digit. In your ones place value. So now you have 22. We're going to repeat again. We're going to start from asking how many. So how many sets of 6 can we make if we have 22? So if you look at your times table, I want you to look at the 6 times table because we're asking for 6. So if you like to skip count by 6, so you have a 6, that's one set. 12, that's another set. So 6 plus 12 is, plus 6 is 18. Plus 6 is 24. Oops, if we say 24, that is more than 22. So we only have all the way here. This here is 6 times 1. This here is 6 times 2. And this one is 6 times 3. So that means that we have only 3. We can only make 3 sets. So 3 over here. Again, we're going to multiply the 3, not 13, but the 3. This to here, okay? So 3 times 6 equals 18, and your answer goes here because we already have numbers here. This here, we're actually done with this, okay? So the 18 goes here. Oh, I'm sorry, it goes here. I should say it goes here. Okay, not that part right here. See if I can erase that. So after that, it's gonna go here. So that will be 18. Okay. So now we're going to subtract 22 minus 18, and the answer is 4. And since we don't have any other number here, this will be our remainder. So our answer is equals to 13 remainder 4. Okay.